Welcome to my channel, where I help you make money online through various methods. Today's topic is dropshipping, a beginner's guide to making money online. If you are unfamiliar with dropshipping, it is a method of selling products without holding any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. This allows you to run an online store without the upfront costs and risk of purchasing inventory. Now, let's dive into the steps to start dropshipping and making money online. Step 1. Research your niche. To research your niche, you need to identify a product category that has high demand but low competition. This requires market research to identify what products people are searching for and what the competition is like in that market. Start by using Google Trends to see the popularity of different search terms related to your niche. This will give you an idea of what products are in demand and what trends are emerging. You can also use Keyword Planner to identify popular keywords and see how competitive they are. Once you have identified a niche, you need to drill down to identify specific products to sell. This requires a deep understanding of your target audience and what they are looking for. You can use social media, online forums, and surveys to get a better understanding of your target audience and what products they are interested in. Step 2. Find a supplier. Finding a reliable supplier is critical to the success of your dropshipping business. You need to find a supplier that offers high-quality products at a competitive price and has a reliable shipping process. Start by researching suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu. These platforms allow you to browse and filter through thousands of suppliers to find the one that best fits your needs. You can also read reviews and ratings from other dropshippers to get a better sense of the supplier's reliability. Once you have found a supplier, you need to establish a relationship with them. This includes negotiating prices, setting up shipping arrangements, and establishing a clear process for fulfilling orders. Step 3. Create your online store. To create your online store, you need to choose a platform that allows you to quickly and easily set up your store. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. When setting up your store, you need to focus on creating a professional-looking site that is easy to navigate and showcases your products effectively. This includes using high-quality product images, writing clear product descriptions, and offering multiple payment options. You also need to set up a clear process for handling orders, including how orders are processed, how shipping is handled, and how returns are managed. Step 4. Optimize for SEO. To drive traffic to your online store, you need to optimize it for search engines. This involves identifying keywords that your target audience is searching for and incorporating them into your website's content. Start by using tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush to identify popular keywords related to your niche. Then incorporate these keywords into your website's content, including your product descriptions, blog posts, and landing pages. You should also focus on optimizing your website speed, mobile responsiveness, and overall user experience. This will help improve your search engine rankings and increase traffic to your site. Step 5. Promote your store. Finally, you need to promote your store to generate sales. Here are many ways to promote your store, including social media marketing, influencer marketing, and paid advertising. Social media marketing involves using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach your target audience and promote your products. This can include running ads, posting engaging content, and interacting with your followers. Influencer marketing involves partnering with social media influencers to promote your products to their followers. This can be a highly effective way to reach a large audience quickly and generate sales. Paid advertising involves using platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to run targeted ads that promote your products. This can be an effective way to reach a highly targeted audience and generate sales quickly. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can start a successful dropshipping business and achieve your financial goals. Dropshipping is a great way to start making money online with low upfront costs and low risk. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start your own dropshipping business and join the many successful entrepreneurs who have found success through this model. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online.